In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion Calendar to Google Calendar. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the home page, click Log In. I'm signing in with Google for speed, so choose the Google option and select your Google account when prompted. If you're already signed in, you may jump straight into your workspace. Once you're in, create a spot for the calendar by selecting Add a Page. Give your new page a clear name so you can find it later. Something like Google Calendar in Notion works well. Next, we'll set up the calendar widget that makes this connection possible. Go to Indify.so. Indify is a trusted tool that creates embeddable widgets for Notion, including a Google Calendar widget. On the Indify site, choose the Google Calendar widget. You'll be asked to name the widget. This is just for your reference inside Indify. Then click Continue. Now connect your Google Calendar to Indify. Click Sign in with Google, select your Google account, and confirm the permissions. Indify requests read-only access so it can display your events. It won't change anything on your calendars. After authorizing, Indify will generate a unique widget link on the configuration page. Click Copy Link. Keep this tab open in case you want to tweak settings later, but the link is the key thing you need. Switch back to your Notion page. Click in the empty space under the page title so your cursor is active on the page. Type Hi Embed to bring up Notion's embed block, then choose Embeds from the menu. Paste the link you copied from Indify into the field and click Embed Link. In a moment, your Google Calendar should appear right inside the Notion page. You can make it look and feel better by resizing the block. Hover over the widget's edge until you see the handle, then click and drag to widen or narrow it as needed. If the calendar looks cramped, give it more width. If you want it to sit beside other content, shrink it to fit a multi-column layout. That's the full setup. From here, your Google Calendar events will display in Notion through the Indify widget. If something doesn't load right away, try refreshing the page. You can always return to Indify to adjust appearance options. Then the changes will reflect in Notion automatically because the embed link stays the same. This approach keeps your Google Calendar and Notion in sync visually without any heavy configuration, so you can manage your schedule in Google and review it neatly inside your Notion workspace.